Hey guys, it's me. So right now, sorry, I have to type this in, but I am adopting my webkinz bird, and it is a oriole bird, and her name is going to be Charlotte, and she is so adorable. So this is my first ever flying pet, so I was so excited to get her. Her name is Charlotte. Her birthday is October 14th, and she's a little kinz oriole. She's a girl, and her biography. Hi, I'm Charlotte. I know we're going to be friends forever. I'm proud that I am great in school, kind, and honest. I think telling funny jokes is really awesome. One of my best friends is a signature penguin. If it was my birthday, I'd love to eat cupcakes and get a game of Zingo's Switcheroos. Miss Birdie scares me, I'm telling you. She's freaky. Okay, so here she is again. She's so cute. I'm going to start playing with her on my account. If it ever loads. And I hate when you get pets because they have 75 hunger, and it's so sad because my pets are always at 100 or something. Most of the time. Okay. Maybe not all the time. Oh my god, she's puny. I didn't know the little kins would be that small. Like Berries is a little kins, my black bear, and she's not that tiny. I'll tell you that. And she flies, which is so adorable. Okay, so here's her gift box. I knew what she comes with, but it's really cute. So she comes with this hammock, which is awesome, a welcome balloon, and a bonus gift box. There, and this is her food, and here's her bonus gift box. Okay, so I have this sandcastle, which I already have for my Cocker Spaniel. Yeah, there really isn't much else to do. But yeah, I'm gonna feed her food. If I can find it. Okay, here it is. So like I said, this is my first bird. So yeah. And she likes cupcakes. It's my first ever bird, so it's going to be my first ever treetop room. So yeah. That is my new webkinz Charlotte. Thanks for watching. Bye.